Hey guys, it's Chelsea with WTI, and today we're talking laptops. This is by Apple and it's their MacBook Air. I have it in gold. So let's get to opening it. I don't want to type in my password, but I can use my finger. It has a Touch ID just like with its tablet, and I love it so much. I also love too that anytime I am using my apps, they're right here at the bottom. I don't have to go searching for them. I know if I want to get into my Zoom call, I can. If I want to watch something on Apple TV, it's right there as well. This feature that I'm going to show here in a little clip, so I'm on my phone, but if my computer knows that I'm close and I want to have it shift over and use what I was doing on my phone on my laptop, you see that little icon pops up and I can then open up on my laptop. So they talk to each other, and I love that little interchange. I also love too that it has such a big mouse pad, so I'm not getting lost. I know I can do so much with it. I can shrink the page, make the page bigger. Anything that you need to be doing on your laptop, this laptop can do. So if you're just looking for a great family laptop to take care of all of your needs, I recommend this one right here. And that's my point of view.